What's up guys, Adrian here. Welcome to another Motorista Adventures vlog. So, bibigay ko lang sa inyo guys yung experience ko sa pagbabaksin. So, kanina, anong oras ngayon? It's 2 a.m. So, kahapon, July 27, nagpabaksin ako. And, and then yung vaccine na ginamit is Johnson & Janssen. Parang Johnson siya, one shot vaccine. And ngayon I'm suffering man, masakit yung ulo ko. Kanina lang I had a 38-degree fever. And I feel just weak, sobrang weak. So yan, I'll update you guys as soon as I have may balita ko, pero I feel like shit.